To get the Oculus app on a Mac, you will need to ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements. The Oculus app is typically designed for Windows, but you can use a virtual machine or other workarounds to run it on a Mac. First, check if your Mac meets the Oculus system requirements, which include a strong processor, sufficient RAM, and a compatible graphics card. You will need at least 8 GB of RAM, an Intel Core i5 or AMD equivalent processor, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 or AMD Radeon RX 480 graphics card. Next, you will need to download and install virtualization software such as Boot Camp, Parallels, or VirtualBox. These programs allow you to run Windows on your Mac, which is necessary to install the Oculus app. Once you have installed the virtualization software, you will need to download the Windows operating system and install it on your virtual machine. You can purchase a copy of Windows from the Microsoft website or use an existing license. After installing Windows, you can download the Oculus app from the Oculus website. Simply click on the download link, save the file to your desktop, and follow the installation prompts to install the app. When the installation is complete, you can launch the Oculus app and follow the setup instructions to configure your Oculus device. You will need to create an account, pair your device, and set up your play space. It is essential to note that running the Oculus app on a Mac may not be as seamless as running it on a Windows PC, and you may experience some performance issues or compatibility problems. However, with the right hardware and software, you can successfully run the Oculus app on your Mac and enjoy a wide range of virtual reality experiences. In conclusion, getting the Oculus app on a Mac requires some extra effort, but it is possible with the right virtualization software and a compatible Windows installation. By following these steps and ensuring your Mac meets the minimum system requirements, you can enjoy the Oculus app and all its features on your Mac.